Hey guys, it's Shurropa here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to use LuckPerms. This plugin is really useful for adding permissions and many more. So stick around and I'll show you how to use LuckPerms. Okay, so you see where it says rank, where the scoreboard is? Well, we can use that with LuckPerms. We can just say owner or admin, VIP, or really whatever rank you want to give the player. So you want to do /LP, and then you want to do create group. Now, if you want to see all the groups you currently have, you could do list groups, and by now you have default. That's the default group. Sadly, you cannot delete default, but you can rename default if you want to by adding a prefix and stuff. Alright, so we'll use LP, create group, and then for my first group, I want to. Alright, so do VIP. That's gonna be my first group. Now successfully created. My second group will be plus VIP. My second group will be MVP or plus MVP. And then my other group will be admin. My other group will be owner. Now, since you have all the groups created, you can do LP list groups, and that will say all the groups you currently have. So far we have VIP, plus VIP, plus MVP, admin, and owner. So those are all the groups we currently have. So let's add a prefix to them. So you want to do /group. Then we're going to be editing our default meta, and then set prefix, and then this can be like whatever you really want. So before I do this, if you want to add color codes, this plugin supports color codes. If you don't know what that is, I guess I'll show on the screen all the color codes they can use. So this will make a light gray or something. And then this is going to be member. So this will be yellow. So yeah, that's what it would appear like. Now, if we have the group, oh, actually, it actually updated right there. But I'll show you how to like rank the player. You can do /LP user, their name, and then parent set, and you can do MVP and default and many other things I can do. Alright, so let's now do this for all the groups. Yeah, I'll see you until then. Okay, now we got all of our ranks done. So we can do /LP list groups, and it should come up as the same. But let's rank myself to owner. As you can see, in a moment it should change. Okay, it takes a while. Oh yeah, see, just changed. Yeah, so did change. We're now owner. The good thing about this plugin, you can also do LP editor, and it'll take you to a link. And I have another thing. Alright, so yeah, we have all the groups and stuff. We have really all of it. And yeah, we can change our parent group, so we can change it to an admin if you really want, and then you would save, and then you would go back into Minecraft, and then you would have paste it. Now, as you can see, any second it should change to admin. As you can see, we're now admin. So I'm gonna go back to the web page. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so back on the web page, and let's set ourselves as owner because we're the owner. The server. So let's redo that. Okay, so paste it. And while we're on the editor, we can add some permissions. So default, you can add permissions like, I mean, obviously you wouldn't have the same plugins as I have because I have Citizens and Bucket and Essentials, Better Jails, and a whole lot of other stuff. But you basically get the idea. You can change a lot of things with this plugin. This is a really good plugin because it has the web, and most plugins don't really have this feature, so yeah, it's just really nice. And yeah. Oh, also, it's a really good plugin because you can also do, so if you're like running on Bungie or something, which I'm doing, you can also do like LP export and then the file name, so like data, ML, or like server ranks.yml, and then you would change the storage. So I guess I'll show you that because I do have to change stuff because right now we go to factions because that's what I'm working on right now. See if I do list groups, we only have default. So, and I don't want to create all of it, and also would save all the permissions I currently have set on the other server. So that's a big problem we have right now, but we can do that by simply doing LP export and then whatever. So let's do that right now. So I guess I'll put the web for the Bungie. Alright, we're back on. I'm currently using Revinode. It's a really good server. Hosting. It's really good. So we can go to the hub and the file manager, and let's go to plugins, Luckperms, and config. And let's go back to the server. Now, to do this, you would do LP, and then you would do export, and then whatever you really want to call it. I just like to call it data.yml, and you can as well. Alright, and it's been exported. Alright, so then I actually already changed this before, but yeah, you would just change this to YAML right there as well. Just change it to YAML. Do not do all uppercase, just do it how I typed it out. This is line 86 for me, so do that. And we should have data and then YML. So just copy this, download it, whatever, and then we'll go to the faction server with the thing. Yeah. So I'll do that right now. Alright, so I'm back, and we have our data.yml. So let's do this. Alright. Make sure you also reset your server when you do this as well. So let's wait a couple seconds, minutes, actually seconds, 20 seconds. So yeah, I like this server hosting. It's not like sponsored or yeah, but it's just really good hosting. Okay, so be back when it's done. Okay, so that was pretty quick. It's already running. We can go back to the server, and then we can do /server factions. Yeah. Okay, so then we're back, and then currently we do not have it yet because we have to do one more step, and you guessed it, it's LP import. Now you would do data.yml.json.gz, and I don't know why it doesn't work, but I have an idea. So if we go back to this plugins, data.yml, and I guess probably 2, I don't know. Why does this not work? Oh, .gz. I don't know why it's not working. Sad. Really sad that's not working. So I guess I'll be right back. And I'll fix it, I guess. Alright, I think I fixed it. Remove the 2 and then the space. I think I just figured it out. So do data.yml .json .gz, and yeah, it's completed. Now let's see, and we got all of our groups, so it does work. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want. I don't really give a crap. Yeah, I guess I'll get excited about this group.